Alright, so now I'm going to try to get this transmission back into here by myself. Let's see how much of a he-man I can be today. Mostly where it needs to be. Got it on the shaft. Oh my god. I just need to get it lined up on the dowel pins. I got it. Alright, so I think might be in good shape here. I got a 4/17 sols. Usually use these to help draw trains. So yeah, new clutch is in. Everything seems to be working fine so far. Clutch pedal's a little stiff, but nothing too unbearable. Engagement's really nice and smooth. The sprung hub is really kind of the way to go. I mean, I didn't realize just how much better a sprung hub was as far as drivability goes. I mean, I do, because obviously I've driven lots of cars with, normal clutches, but, just getting a light comparison in the same car, yeah, sprung hub's just kind of the way to go. So yeah, just kind of taking it easy on the car until the clutch is broken in. Once the clutch is broken in, the next video, or once the clutch is broken in, heading right back to the track. I'm gonna shoot for 12s. I mean, I know it's got 12s in it. Last run was 13.0 at 109 with a slip and clutch. So I think if I just did exactly what I did last time, should be a high 12. I'm gonna turn the boost up. I think I was at 16 or 17 psi on the last video. I'm going to shoot for 22, 23 psi. I think that should be enough to get that trap speed up and get the car into, that mid 12 territory. Once it starts to cool off here, I'll probably turn up the boost a little bit more if I have enough fuel. I should have enough injector, 1000cc injectors. But yeah, if I got enough fuel, I plan on basically just cranking the boost until it runs 11s. Or blows up, whichever comes first. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just going to be me breaking the car in. I don't really think I got a whole lot more to really cover until the next trip to the track, so it may be a while before I film again. I'm not really planning on going back anytime soon. It's just really hot and really unbearable, but I'm sure someone will be able to talk me into it. So yeah, at some point I'll do a kind of update video on the XTD and what I think went wrong. Long story short, I just think that the pressure plate just was too soft for this aggressive of a clutch disc, because it just burned the hell out of that. I don't know if I really would consider this a failure or fault of XTD. It's I don't know, clutch just isn't really rated for what they say it is, and it really couldn't stand up to leaving the line at 5,500 RPM on slicks. Probably would have been fine on a street car with a little bit less power. Sure, it would have lasted a lot longer. It just didn't like those hard launches. But yeah, like I said, she's all back together. Running good, running smooth, no leaks. While I had the car apart, I went ahead and ran the coolant lines for the turbo too. Not really a big deal, but hopefully it'll help extend the life on the turbo. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Next video should be at Speed World. See you there.